Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup base. First, understand that a well-crafted soup base is the secret to truly delicious meals. It provides a deep, complex flavor profile that store-bought options simply cannot match. Learning this fundamental skill will elevate your culinary creations, saving you money while ensuring the freshest, most flavorful results every time you cook. It's a foundational technique for any home chef. To begin your soup base, gather your core ingredients. You'll need aromatic vegetables, often referred to as mirepoix, which typically includes 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion. For depth, incorporate protein sources like 2 pounds of chicken bones, beef bones, or a mix of vegetable scraps. Finally, enhance the flavor with herbs and spices such as 2 bay leaves and about 10 whole black peppercorns. Now let's get cooking. First, sauté your prepared aromatic vegetables in about 1 tablespoon of oil in a large pot for approximately 5 minutes until they soften. Next, add your bones or vegetable scraps to the pot, then cover everything with cold water, ensuring it extends 2 to 3 inches above the solids. Bring it to a gentle simmer, cooking for at least 2 to 4 hours, and remember to skim any foam that rises. Once your soup base is ready, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve to remove all solids, then allow it to cool completely. For storage, you can refrigerate the base for up to 4 days, or freeze it in convenient 1-cup or 2-cup portions for several months. This versatile homemade base is perfect for enriching gravies, adding depth to risottos, or forming the foundation for any delicious soup or stew.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.